Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your BMW X3 bonnet. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found in the driver's side footwell, often marked with a hood icon. Pull this lever once. You'll hear a click as the first latch releases. Then, after a brief pause of a few seconds, pull the same lever a second time. This action fully disengages the main bonnet latch, preparing it for opening. Now that both latches are released, exit your vehicle and walk to the front. With both hands, gently lift the bonnet upwards from its front edge. You'll find that the bonnet should open smoothly and easily. Many BMW X3 models feature gas struts, which will assist in lifting and holding the bonnet open without needing a manual prop rod. Once the bonnet is fully open, ensure it remains securely in place. Modern BMW X3 vehicles are usually equipped with hydraulic gas struts that hold the bonnet up automatically, so you won't need to search for a separate prop rod. Always confirm the bonnet is stable and won't unexpectedly close before you begin any inspections or maintenance tasks. To close the bonnet, simply lower it gently until it is approximately 12 to 15 centimeters, or about 5 to 6 inches, from being fully closed. From this position, release the bonnet, allowing its own weight to drop and securely engage both latches. Give it a gentle push down to ensure it's fully seated and flush with the vehicle's body, confirming it is properly secured.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.